Conan the Barbarian dog, was once asked what was best in life. He thought about it very briefly and barked, "To crush your enemies, see them driven before you, and to hear the lamentation of their cats." Some of you may find this list a bit dramatic, so I'm happy to tell you that none of this is needed if you want to invest like the big dogs. The best place to start is by watching all the episodes in the How to Invest Like the Big Dog series. After doing so, if you feel like this educational series has enabled you to begin investing, you will need access to a brokerage account with a bit of cash in it. There are many brokerages out there to choose from, so just make sure whoever you choose is legit. On that note, I definitely wouldn't use my Uncle Tony. "I'll make you an offer you can't refuse." And don't worry about needing any special features like real-time quotes, day trading, or options trading. If you want to invest like the big dogs, you won't need anything fancy McFancy pants. Big dogs keep it simple. The standard stock account works great. The only exception is for those requiring tax benefits, and for those who need that, you'll need to talk to a dog that specializes in tax advising or watch some of our later episodes. You may also wish to set up an automatic deposit that transfers cash into your account on a regular basis. I'll explain why this is so important later. That's all there is to it for now. Woof! Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and maybe even like this video if you're so inclined. Who's a good human? You are. Woof!